Did you know that drinking green tea every day can boost your metabolism and help burn fat? Some studies suggest it could increase your calorie burn by up to 100 calories a day. Green tea has been around for thousands of years, originating in China, where it's been a staple in traditional medicine and daily life. From ancient ceremonies to modern-day cups, green tea has been cherished for its unique taste and numerous health benefits. Drinking green tea every day can have a significant impact on your health. For one, it's known to aid in weight loss by increasing metabolism and fat burning. The antioxidants in green tea, called catechins, help to boost your body's ability to burn calories, making it a popular choice for those looking to shed a few pounds. Additionally, green tea has been shown to improve brain function, enhancing focus and concentration. Some studies even suggest that it may help prevent certain diseases, such as heart disease and some types of cancer. The science behind green tea's benefits is fascinating. The high levels of antioxidants in green tea help to protect your cells from damage, reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. This can lead to improved overall health and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Furthermore, green tea has been shown to have a positive impact on gut health, supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Green tea may also help to lower cholesterol levels and improve blood sugar control. Its potential to reduce the risk of certain diseases makes it a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. The benefits of green tea can be felt in daily life, from increased energy to improved mental clarity. Imagine starting your day with a cup of green tea, feeling more alert and focused. As you incorporate green tea into your daily routine, you may notice improvements in your overall well-being. According to health experts, green tea is a simple and effective way to support overall health and wellness. Its antioxidant properties make it an excellent choice for those looking to prevent disease and promote healthy aging. Many people have experienced positive effects from drinking green tea daily, from improved digestion to enhanced mental performance. In conclusion, incorporating green tea into your daily routine can have a significant impact on your health and wellness. With its rich history, numerous health benefits, and ease of use, green tea is a simple and effective way to support overall health. If you've had a positive experience with green tea, share your story with us in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about healthy drinking habits, be sure to check out our next video on the benefits of infused water.